How to delete Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Facebook post. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen beside What's on your mind text. Now here, once you are in your profile section, you can simply scroll down and tap on manage post. And here you can simply select the post and tap on next at the top right corner, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on delete to delete your post. Or you can simply go back and scroll through your timeline and find the post that you want to delete. And once you have found that, simply tap on the three dots on the post which can be seen in the top right corner of that post, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on move to bin. And after that, a confirmation message will pop up saying that your post will stay in the bin for 30 days and you can recover it anytime before that. And once you're done with that, simply tap on move, and after that your post will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you can delete a Facebook post. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.